You are a 5-star camper. The updates they made to this gorgeous coach, I'm giving this one 5 stars. Let me show you what I mean. What's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the beautiful Keystone Cougar. This is the 29RLP. This couple's coach comes in at 33 feet 9 inches, roughly 8,400 pounds dry, 8,390 if you're splitting hairs, and has made some awesome updates for this year. Now, last year, Keystone did a good job with 26, but for 27, I like how they gave me flat ceilings that are taller, which means my slides are also taller. You also got upgraded brand new flooring. This is the Bow Floor vinyl flooring with a 7-year limited warranty and a 5-year cold crack warranty on it. That's pretty sweet if you're going to be doing those climates. Add that to the fact that you also have bigger tanks on this bad boy this year, 54 on the fresh, 80 on the gray, 40 on the black, more lights, more space, and of course, it's Keystone's quality construction. To me, this is a couples coach. This configuration will sleep 4 thanks to the sleeper sofa that we have in the back. You could sub out the recliners or the dinette if you needed to sleep more. But to me, this is your chance to reconnect with that loved one. You know, get back out on that vacation. And I know what you're saying, Chris, we got work, we got lives, we got this, that, and the other thing. We can't go that many days without having to check in and do work, maybe because of vacation. Keystone thought of that. That's why they gave you the Flex Dinette. I love this setup because I can go from sitting in either the comfy decorative chairs or the bench seat. Maybe I got the kids with me. By the way, the bench seat also doubles as an ottoman and even has storage in there. Really like the versatility there, but I love the versatility here. Imagine if you did have to take work on the road. I don't really have a workspace here. I don't want to sit at the dinette. They gave you the Flex Dinette. Pull this out, turn it this way, lock it into place because it does lock in. I'm just not going to push it all the way. Now I can move this seat over here. I got a great workspace. I got power underneath, plug in. And since they made everything taller, I have bigger windows with more light and more breeze. So if I want to take that Teams meeting, I want to take that Zoom call, or I just want to do my work while looking at the beach, looking at the mountains, looking at grandma's house, looking at Ryan's tennis shoe collection, whatever I want to do, I'm going to be able to do it right here. Then turn around and I'm in my home away from home that has an island kitchen with pressed surface countertops, rounded edges, under-mounted sink that's gunmetal, oversized, pull-down sprayer faucet with the beautiful oil bronze fixtures on it, and tons of space. And since it's Keystone, you know you're going to get that quality construction too. I mean, just take a look at the hidden hinges on my doors. Got the beveled soft close all the way around, and my drawers glazed at the bottom, full extension on the drawer guides, and supported. So you can put 75 pounds of pressure in there. I like how they did that because sometimes you have to make stuff a little bit lighter because it's an RV. You can't have a 20,000 pound travel trailer. So sometimes you got to use thinner wood, smaller pieces. The fact that they reinforce it means I don't have to give up what I would bring to enjoy inside my kitchen. I consider that with the lights too. The beautiful decorative pendant LED light, the recessed roof lights in my flat ceiling, the ducted AC with my 18K BTU chill cube, by the way. Sweet, because that's also a cold start. I like that, so it's not drawing as many amps. And the fact that I have a remote control for that, yeah, I don't even have it at my house. But I do have a cooktop at my house. It doesn't have a recessed glass cover that allows me to continue prepping even over here. I got my Furion microwave up top. More storage there, more storage underneath, as well as the pull-out drawer. And then for your cold storage, you got the 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge freezer combo with even more storage down below. Acrylic front so that it looks residential. This year, they even made a couple of changes with the pantry. Check this out. So we had the light, but now we got the space for the cordless vacuum as well as the 110, and the shelves are solid. I really like that because it just looks stronger, looks more residential. The space right beside it leading to the front of the coach can be my coffee station. Got storage up top, storage down below, as well as my fuse panel. Just all in all, great flow, great space for chilling, cooking, working, but also entertaining. So let me show you this entertainment option. And I know why they put this in here. Because people like me would say, I got more stuff to bring and you don't have enough room for me to store it. So now they do things like give you hidden pantries behind entertainment systems with decorative reinforced shelving, another hanging spot for another vacuum. Because if you're like me, I have to have 2 vacuums at home. Yes, I am that eccentric.
Dirty.
Easy. I like eccentric better, Ryan. I am kind of dirty too. But you got the hangers there, and I like how they gave me the dislockable pull handle versus, the little clip hanger. It just feels a little bit better. It looks a little bit better. Got the large TV on the swivel arm, component shelf. You do have your Bluetooth entertainment system right above your InnoFlame fireplace. Now, that's roughly 4,800 BTUs of heat. Add that to the high output furnace that you have in here. The thing that I love about those fireplaces is this. In here. All right. See if it'll let me do it. All right. I like the multicolor. I like being able to mix it in. But you cut that on. And let's say you're sitting here, on this decorative love seat that also pulls out into a 2-sleeper, and you're watching your favorite program. Or maybe you're just sitting here reading a book. You got the windows open with these giant panoramic windows that have side skirting, wood balances, storage up top. I mean, just take a look. Frosted glass, strut supported. You're just sitting here chilling in your opulent 5-star resort RV at the rear. Maybe I got a cup of my favorite beverage right here on the end table, and all of a sudden I feel a little chill. Instead of getting up and cutting the heat on, I'm going to cut that on. It's going to do a great job of just knocking that chill off the air. Or if you do have the grandkids or the kids here, you got this pulled out. They're enjoying the movie at night, eating some popcorn that you just popped in the microwave. You're sitting over here on the pillow top recliners, by the way. If you haven't sat on one of these, you need to, because it almost feels like you're sitting on the beanbag chair. I love these. So maybe the kids are watching the movie. I'm kicked back chilling. I got my phone charging over here. I got the heat going. I got my cup right here. Once again, if I feel my toes getting a little frosty, I'm going to cut on the fireplace. Versus cutting on a furnace, to me, that is an awesome option. Once again, just makes this not only feel more residential, it feels more 5-star. That's what they wanted to give you with the Cougar lineup this year. They wanted to give you a 5-star experience. But Chris, that also includes the bathroom and the bedroom. It does. So let me show you what they did there.
Hey, Chris.
Hang on, man. I got ranch on my shirt.
We're rolling.
Why would you be rolling? We just had lunch. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Morris. It may have only been a second for you, but Ryan and I stopped to have lunch in between coming from the living room to here. And so if I look a little bigger, it's because, have you ever had a Pizookie? Leave me a comment down below. Anyway, here we are in the gorgeous bathroom of the 29RLP. Now, not a lot of different changes here other than what they did was they upgraded to a 60,000 BTU tankless water heater. So you'll have even more hot showers. And the fact that they gave you still the retracting shower door here, which gives you more entry room, big old skylight with, once again, higher ceilings. I did like the appearance of the barrel ceilings, but I like even more having the more headroom. Let me know what you think, because I'd love to get your opinion. Recessed lights, they upgraded to the Thetford toilet, got the hangers there, strut-supported storage here, and of course, huge mirrored medicine cabinet, vanity with the undermounted sink, same type of sink that we have in the kitchen, and the drawer storage, as well as trash can right there. Just a great bathroom space. The thing that impresses me the most in here is this giant medicine cabinet. For a couple, this is great. And the fact that they gave me a little bit of raised lips too means when I get to where I'm going camping, stuff's not going to be flying everywhere. For your bedroom, a couple of changes that they did this year for this one too. So no more drawers underneath the bed, but you do have a king-size bed, strut-supported storage here, which is a great little storage closet area for your clothes. I got a spot for my shoes. I got the mirrored wards on both sides with the inverted outlets, because once again this year they're also doing the Solar Flex or the Solar Prep, depending on which package you get. So you'll have the inverted outlets, the solar panels, either the inverter prep or the inverter. I really like that option. Second AC located here in the bedroom. TV backer on the off-camp wall with your Key TV multi-source connection. Gone is the windshield. Now you have a backlit padded headboard. And of course, the mirror boards also have the removable shelves. I got drawers on both sides and washer dryer prep in my ward over here with the fold up drawer. I'm a big fan of that. And of course, the chest of drawers. So it could literally be your armoire, or it could be your laundry room. But the fact that they gave me so much storage from pantry to closet to drawers, plus remember it's taller, so you're going to have a little bit more storage up high too, with the fact that just the cabinetry is going to be taller. But I got to tell you, from my perspective, they really are getting 5 stars. Now let's go take a look at the outside. Here we're on the outside of your all-new Keystone Cougar 29RLP. Big, beautiful, and bright, just like me. 1 out of 3 ain't bad. Now, what we got here on this new front cap is because this is bigger, they gave you a different style molded front cap. The grooves that you see in there are going to help offset the height by giving you less wind resistance for towing. Really big fan of that. Got my Lippert tongue jack right here, 20-pound LP tanks. Diggy box as well as battery rail. You even have the little doggy latch right there. I'm a big fan of how they incorporate that onto like the frames because it just helps keep the pets secure because they're family members as well. All seated on an extremely sturdy frame, heated and enclosed underbelly. Gorgeous fiberglass with that key shield technology, the glossing that they have on this, the aluminum construction, the foam insulation. Key to like on my magnetic anti-slam luggage doors. My pass-through storage over here is also finished off and it's heated. So I'm a big fan of that. Once again, 5 stars. Now, awning controls, power, as well as TPMS tire prep set up in there. Whatever RV you get, please get tire pressure monitoring. Number 1 cause of accidents in RVs is tire blowouts. Prevent that by getting TPMS. You'll also see you get your cable connection right there, another key TV, and an inverted outlet with the porthole for the connections. But one of the things I like that they did is this side skirting. You see how it's beveled down at the bottom? That is going to help a little bit with wind resistance, but more importantly, that's going to protect the undercarriage a little bit, and it just looks good. 80% tint on my sealed safety windows, marine grade speakers, 4K blade lighting on both awnings, and the solid steps leading me into the entry point. Leave me a comment down below on what you think of these. I'm so used to seeing the metal, it's taken me a minute to get used to seeing the plastic. I'm not sure I'm sold on them yet. True fit slide, love how they build their slides. Plus, I really like what they do with their rubber gasket seals too, giving you really good coverage. Slide topper to help keep the debris and everything off the top of my slide. Anti-lock braking system on this beauty too. So you'll see you got your Dexter Easy Lubes down there. You got your Road Armor suspension, the red drum brakes, all on aluminum rims. My buddy Ian actually got a chance to take the Keystone crew out to a track to test this ABS system, and it works great. But the fact that they have anti-lock brakes, wonderful safety feature on your 5-star coach. Come around to the rear, 4x4 sewer hose storage there, spare tire, ladder, backup camera prep. I do kind of wish they'd give me a Bluetooth observation camera, but what do you do there? Still, big fan. I even like how they offset the 4x4 sewer hose bumper storage back here because we're already at 33 feet 9 inches. Even that few inches might keep us in that state park sweet spot. Got my 50 amp plug right here. You'll also see that they have the Watchdog connector. Really big fan of that because it lets you know if the connector is good based off the colors. Another true fit slide over here with the slide topper. But just make sure Ryan doesn't fall because, well, we're going to be talking about more Cougars here in a minute. But back of my furnace, back of my tankless water heater, man alive, they got leveling on this thing. Was not expecting. I was expecting to see, it might have, maybe some of them do. Most of them have the stabilization. Seeing the leveling, a very nice feature. Also, your terminations are forward to the axles. I like that too. And your tanks on this one, once again, 54-gallon fresh, 80-gallon gray, 40-gallon black. That is bigger tanks than last year too. So very nice feature. Now in here, you'll see your external command system. You got your shower with hot and cold. You got your quick connect, so if you want to bring out the ZAMP solar panel, trickle charge that battery, you can. Automatic leveling controls right there. But one of the best features any RV manufacturer has put into an RV, you probably can't even see it right here, the water management system. If you have a leak in the kitchen, in years past, you'd have to cut the water off to the entire coach. Now, you can go in here and just cut off whatever you need to. Oh, well, we're not going to be using this. Cut it off. Bada bing, bada boom. More importantly, you got the command center located right there. Big fan of that. And your info panel, which lets you know, how much does the coach weigh? Now, dry, we're sitting at 8390. Gross, we're looking at 9,900 pounds. So, what does that mean for being half-ton towable? To me, I've always thought if it's under 10,000 pounds, you're still half-ton towable sweet, because most trucks, half-ton trucks, should be able to tow that. If you have any question of it, go check out the free towing guide we have at rv.campingworld.com. And while you're there, if you're interested in this one, check it out. This is the Keystone Cougar 29RLP. 5-star couples coach, in my opinion. But that's my opinion. What's yours? Would love to hear it. Leave me a comment down there and say, hey, Chris, I think you're right about this. Or, hey, dude, you're way off base. This is because I love getting that information. It helps me position these things, hopefully, for you. Because that's what I want you to do. I want you to take it to the campground, enjoy it, and then when I see you, you tell me, oh, dude, you know, we loved the 29RLP. My wife and I, we took it here. We went to. I love that stuff, man. I love that stuff. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and notify. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Keystone Cougar 29RLP. More importantly, I hope to hear from you soon.